Namaskar. Today we will learn how to count number of atoms of an element in a given chemical formula. Let us assume that we have been provided with the formula H capital C small l, that is HCl. Now we want to know how many atoms of hydrogen and chlorine are present in this formula. Then we can find out this in the following manner. We can write it like this: 1 into H1 Cl1. This is for understanding purpose. Now to count the number of hydrogen atoms, we will multiply this one by this one and we will get the number of hydrogen atoms, and it comes out to be 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So there are total 1 atom in this HCl formula. Likewise, to find out the number of chlorine atoms, we will multiply this one by this one and the number of chlorine atoms comes out to be 1 in this formula. So in all, HCl formula is made from two atoms, one of hydrogen and one of chlorine. Now let's calculate the number of hydrogen atoms and oxygen atoms present in H2O. Again, going in the similar manner, we will write it like this: 1 into H2 and O1. So now we will multiply them once again to count the number of atoms of each element. First we will count the number of hydrogen atoms. So we will multiply this 1 by this 2 and the hydrogen atoms comes out to be 1 into 2 is 2. Likewise, the number of oxygen atoms will be equal to 1 into 1, which is equal to, it is 1. So in all, there are 3 atoms present in H2O. 2 atoms are of hydrogen and 1 is of oxygen. If the formula given is like this, 3H2O, then we can write it like this: 3 into H2O1. Now again multiplying the respective numbers, this 3 with this 2, we will get the number of hydrogen atoms as 3 into 2, which is equal to 6, and likewise 3 into this 1 will give us total number of oxygen atoms, which are 3 into 1 equal to 3. So in all, there are 6 atoms of hydrogen and 3 atoms of oxygen present in this 3H2O molecule. Now we will take a little more complex formula. Let us assume that we have been provided with this formula of calcium hydroxide. Now again, it is easy to count number of different types of atoms present in this formula in the following manner. When nothing is given, we will assume it as 1, then Ca1, O1, H1, and outside bracket it is 2. Now we can write it like this also: 1 into Ca1, this 2 into this 1 will give O2, then this 1 into this 2 will also give 2, so the formula will become 1 Ca1 O2 H2. Now we want to count the number of calcium atoms, so it is easy now. 1 into Ca1 will give 1 atom of calcium. Now to count number of oxygen atoms, it will be O equal to 1 into 2, which is 2, and to calculate the number of hydrogen atoms, it will be H is equal to 1 into 2, which is 2. So in all there are 5 atoms in CaOH whole twice. Now I have modified the earlier formula, and instead of 1 I have written 3 CaOH whole twice. So again we can calculate the number of atoms in the following manner. We will write it like this: 3 Ca1O1H1 whole twice. Then we will multiply, first solve this bracket, so it will come out to be Ca1, 1 into 2 is 2, so O2, 1 into 2 is 2 again, so H2. Now number of calcium, oxygen and hydrogen atoms can be calculated in the following manner. Calcium atoms will be equal to 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3. Number of oxygen atoms will be 3 into 2. So it will be 3 into 2, which is equal to 2. It is 6. And 3 into 2, number of hydrogen atoms. So it is equal to 6. So in all there are 6 plus 6 12 plus 3 15 atoms present in 3 CaOH whole twice. This technique of counting number of atoms in a given formula will be useful while balancing chemical equations. Thank you.